You can talk to cats, but they are racist and very mean to you. You can have any woman man you want, but you have to have a cage match fight with Chuck Norris. You will become the king or queen of England, but you have to marry the first person you see when you click share, and then more. You can marry any anime character of any anime show you want, but you're stuck in the character's world and become an anime character yourself. You can fly, but you have to dress like Peter Pan forever. You can become a successful drug dealer and make millions of dollars and never have to worry about law enforcement. But the love of your life will